Welcome to my channel, AI. Wealth Insights is a channel that informs, teaches, and learns how artificial intelligence is changing how people work, create, and make money online. My objective is to open the door to new ventures and how to achieve one's journey. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a tool that has become a global pathway practically for anyone to use to make money and earn an income. Share your feedback, click like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. With hard work, creativity, and smart decision-making, you can create opportunities that lead to significant wealth, even if you're starting from scratch. Here are 10 practical ways to make $1 million in 2025. What if you could turn a small investment into $1 million in just 1 year? Would you take the chance? Number 10. Start an e-commerce business. E-commerce is booming, so start an online store selling niche electronics, sustainable goods, or personalized fashion. Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon make it easier than ever to open an online store and manage inventory, payments, and marketing. Drop shipping, a business concept without inventory, reduces upfront investment. Instead, the supplier ships the product straight to the client, letting you focus on marketing and customer support. This reduces warehouse space and inventory management, lowering startup costs. Social media advertising, SEO, and influencer collaborations may swiftly build your consumer base. Number 9. Invest in real estate with little money. House hacking is a real estate strategy where you purchase a property, live in part of it, and rent out the other rooms or units to cover the mortgage. For example, if you buy a duplex or multi-family home, you can live in one unit and rent out the others, allowing rental income to pay down your mortgage while you build equity in the property. Over time, as the property's value appreciates, your wealth grows, and you can reinvest profits into additional properties. These options allow you to enter the real estate market with lower upfront costs. Whether through direct property ownership or indirect investment, real estate can offer a reliable way to build long-term wealth. And by reinvesting profits, you can gradually scale your real estate portfolio. Number 8. Create a high-traffic blog or YouTube channel. Are you ready to transform your financial future in 2025? Choosing a profitable specialty like personal finance, tech reviews, health, or travel, and providing high-quality content is a good method to create a blog, YouTube channel, or social network account. You should choose a topic that fascinates you and has a huge, interested audience. After gaining a loyal following, you can monetize your material with adverts, like Google AdSense or YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. This can become a profitable business with financial freedom and long-term possibilities. Number 7. Freelance or consult in your expertise. Offering freelance services or advice lets you make a lot of money using your abilities. Companies and individuals will pay more for high-quality work and professional guidance in digital marketing, software development, graphic design, business strategy, or other specialty fields. You can sell your services on Upwork, Fiverr, or through networking and recommendations. You can raise your hourly rate or take on higher-paying clients as you gain expertise and a reputation for success. Freelance work allows you to scale by taking on several clients or providing continuing consulting services to maintain income. As your experience and network increase, you can add services or even start a small agency to boost your earnings. Since you set your prices and workload, freelancing allows you to increase your profits and attain financial goals. Number 6. Develop a mobile app or software. What are the best strategies to make $1 million in 2025? If you can identify a problem and create a solution people will pay for, creating an app or SaaS product is a very scalable approach to make money. If you code, you can build the app or program yourself, or you can hire a developer. Find a market pain point, improving productivity, entertainment, education, or business solutions. Due to scalability and subscription revenue, applications and SaaS solutions can be profitable. You may also retain clients and increase income by upgrading and refining the app depending on user input. Number 5. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or NFTs. Understanding investing fundamentals, market patterns, and risks and rewards is essential to learning about the stock market, cryptocurrency, or NFTs. The stock market has everything from blue-chip businesses to growth stocks. Start with basic investment methods, market behavior, and asset and investment vehicle research. Risk management is essential in the volatile stock market and cryptocurrency, but with the appropriate information and plan, investments can generate huge profits. You can earn from high-growth sectors by following market trends, assessing risk, and making well-researched judgments. Number 4. Launch a subscription box service. Building a subscription box service entails selecting niche products that meet client wants and delivering them regularly. Selecting a target market, such as beauty, fitness, food, or pet owners, and finding distinctive high-quality items to appeal to them is the first step. Each package might contain supplier-partnered or self-branded products. Because of its steady monthly revenue, the subscription model helps estimate cash flow and prepare for expansion. This business can expand quickly if you build a great brand and offer fresh and exciting things to keep subscribers engaged. Number 3. Create an online course or coaching program. Packaging your knowledge into structured, easy-to-follow online courses or coaching packages can help you commercialize your experience. Insights, certifications, and personalized coaching can make courses in high-value categories like business development, personal finance, computer skills, and wellness expensive. Number 2. Flip products for profit. Flipping entails buying products at a discount and reselling them on eBay, Amazon, or Facebook Marketplace. Find popular or specialty products like vintage apparel, gadgets, or rare antiques to swiftly flip for a profit. Number 1. Network marketing, MLM, with a strong team. Network marketing, also known as multi-level marketing, MLM, works by recruiting individuals to sell products or services while also encouraging them to build their own teams of sellers. As you join a reputable network marketing company, you typically earn commissions not only from your personal sales, but also from the sales made by the individuals you recruit. Success in network marketing hinges on your ability to lead and motivate your team, as well as train them in sales strategies, product knowledge, and business-building techniques. Because the income potential is tied to the performance of your team, your earnings can multiply exponentially if you can create a large, motivated network. However, it requires strong sales skills, persistence, and leadership, as building a successful team and maintaining consistent sales can be challenging. Could 2025 be the year you turn your dreams into a $1 million reality without any upfront capital? Thanks for watching and subscribing channel.